Hello and welcome back, my lovely English learners. In today's English lesson, I will help you replace overused words in English. These English words are quite basic and there's nothing wrong with using them, but they are used too often in spoken and written English. These words are perfectly fine at the beginner level. But if you want to advance your English and speak more fluently, you must learn better alternatives to these common words. I am Ananya, your English teacher. Hit like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss important English lessons like this one. Alright, let's get started. Overused word is nice. When we like something, we generally say nice. But here are some better alternatives to the word nice. Pleasant. The weather is really pleasant. Enjoyable. The concert I attended last evening was enjoyable. Lovely. Ria has a lovely personality. Delightful. We had a delightful evening at the beach. Aren't these better words to use instead of nice? Why don't you try making your own sentences with these words? It will help you remember them better, and I would love to read your sentences in the comments. Now, let's move on to the next overused word. Important. I'm sure you use this word quite often in your everyday conversations, right? Instead of saying important, you can use more advanced alternatives. Crucial. The investor meeting is crucial for the startup. Vital. Regular exercise is vital for good health. Essential. Higher education is essential for career success. Key. He played a key role in the negotiation. There you have it, 4 better words to replace important. Now it's your turn to write sentences using these words in the comments. Let's move on to the next word. Similar, which means the same or almost the same. Instead of saying similar, you can use alike. The twins look very much alike. Resembling. The painting was resembling the real landscape. Homogeneous. The students of this class possess homogeneous skills. Comparable. The 2 smartphones are comparable in their features. Great! Now you have 4 strong alternatives to replace similar. Up next is the word boring. Instead of saying boring, you can use dull. The lecture was dull and uninteresting. Tedious. The task was tedious and time-consuming. Something that is boring and tiring is called tedious. Monotonous. His speech was monotonous and put everyone to sleep. Wearisome. The journey was long and wearisome. Something that makes you tired and bored is called wearisome. Now let's talk about the word fast. Many people say fast, but there are better alternatives you can use. Speedy. He is known for his speedy responses on the talk show. Rapid. India is seeing rapid growth in the gift city. Hasty. His hasty exit from the party was noticed by everyone. Nimble. The investor was nimble with his stocks, adjusting his portfolio to changing market trends. Nimble means quick and skillful movement or action. Up next is the word interesting. Here are some better alternatives. Fascinating. The tech show was fascinating with the latest AI gadgets. Engaging. The new web series was engaging and I binge watched it all night. Binge watch means watching many episodes continuously without stopping. Intriguing. The mystery in the movie was intriguing. Captivating. Her speech was captivating and held everyone's attention. Now let's look at the word easy. Something simple to do is easy, right? But here are some better alternatives. Effortless. He made the math equation look effortless. Straightforward. Using this smartphone is straightforward and user-friendly. Uncomplicated. The recipe she shared is uncomplicated and quick to make. Manageable. The workload today was heavy but manageable. I'm sure learning English in this way is pretty straightforward and effortless, right? Let me know in the comments. The next overused word is serious. Instead of saying serious, you can say severe. The consequences of your decision could be severe. Earnest. She was earnest in her efforts to help the poor. Stern. The new boss has a stern way of speaking. Solemn. His solemn expression conveyed the seriousness of the situation. So those are 4 great alternatives to serious. I hope you're writing your sentences in the comments using these new English words, because that's how you will remember these new words faster. Here's the next overused word. Funny. I can replace funny with witty. Her witty remarks always made everyone laugh. Amusing. The play was amusing and enjoyable. Comical. The situation turned out to be quite comical. Hilarious. The movie was absolutely hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. With that, we move to the last word from today's lesson, and that is hard. Something that is difficult to achieve is hard. To make it sound less hard, we can say challenging. The puzzle was challenging, but she solved it. Arduous. Say it with me. Arduous. The journey to the mountains was arduous and tiring. Tough. He had to make some tough decisions to save the company. Strenuous. The workout was strenuous and exhausting. I hope you're not finding learning English arduous or strenuous. I am sure my lessons will make learning English effortless and uncomplicated. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss key lessons like this one. See, I just used some of the words we learned today: arduous, strenuous, effortless, and uncomplicated. Isn't that great? I'll see you soon with another engaging lesson. Until then, stay witty, keep smiling, and keep practicing English.